My name is Anand, and today I'm going to take you all to a journey to this beautiful country, India. Today we will observe some of our mistakes that can cause a long term hazardous damage to our beautiful country, India. And we will also meet some real life superheroes who are correcting our mistakes at their own level. So let's begin this journey.
India, a superpower, has contributed to the world in every field. But there is a large share of India in polluting the whole world. Although India pollutes the world majorly, but nature is still abundant here.
But besides this unmatchable beauty of India, well, have you people ever thought about making roads with plastic? Well, this might seem impossible for us, but not for the plastic man of India, better known as. In this modern era of globalization, plastic is being used almost everywhere, whether it comes to these poly bags, food packaging, and all. And plastic take around 1,000 years to decompose. As a result, world produce around 300 million tons of plastic every year. And to get rid of this problem, here comes our next superhero, Arvind Hegdesar.
Every day, 15,000 tons of plastic waste is generated in India. One day, a regular human like us came up with a solution to this. Ashwant Hegde, the founder of Envy Green, has invented 100% biodegradable plastic bags which can reduce the plastic wastage to a tremendous 12%.
It is purely made out of natural and bio-based ingredients, 100% purely made out of natural starch material. We have started distribution of around 50,000 carry bags of cloth. Suddenly एक लेडी उठा के बोला, अच्छा एक बात बोलो, मेरा फिश जो है मैं इधर सेल कर रहा है, इसका वैल्यू 20 रुपये, आपका क्लोथ बैग का वैल्यू 25 रुपये है। अभी मेरे को आंसर करो, 20 रुपये का फिश तो 25 रुपये का क्लोथ बैग में कैसे भेजूं? A layman cannot afford 25 rupees, 20 rupees for cloth or jute bag.
He researched from 2012 to 2015 and came up with 100% biodegradable plastic bags.
प्लास्टिक बैग 1 रुपये 50 पैसे में मिलेगा, तो हमारा बैग 2 रुपये 50 पैसे में मिलेगा। एंड यू कैन जस्ट अफोर्ड इट, एंड इफ यू जस्ट थ्रो इट आउट, इट गेट्स डिग्रेडेड इन द नेचुरल कंडीशन विद इन 90 days। 98.6% of biodegradation अचीव किया है। We proudly says it is a made in India product.
Now let's meet our final and the biggest environmentalist on this entire planet, Sadhguru.
Soil is the habitat upon which zillions of lives thrive. Because of that thriving life, everything grows. We eat food, other animals grow, everything happens because soil is rich. Once there is no richness in soil, then you have forsaken the planet in many ways.
The United Nations agencies, with enough scientific data, they're clearly saying that we have soil, agricultural soil, for another 80 to 100 crops on the planet. This is 45 to 60 years is what we have agricultural soil.
Come on, we can save our planet. Let's all put our minds and heart together to do our bit and make the earth clean and green again. Let's save our planet.